From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a parched throat and dry skin, wondering if the air in your home is to blame? Look no further than the Mifasol Stainless Steel Humidifier, a top-rated and best-selling solution to your humidity needs. I was amazed at how easy it was to set up, with a simple and intuitive design that had me up and running in no time. The stainless steel exterior is sleek and durable, with a smooth texture that feels premium to the touch. As it hums along, you'll notice a soothing mist that fills the air, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple, and your sinuses clear and relieved. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed, with its ability to provide a comfortable and healthy environment in your home. One of the benefits I appreciate most is the quiet operation, which allows me to run it overnight without disturbance, and the visible mist that rises from the device is a reassuring sign that it's working effectively. In contrast to other humidifiers I've tried, this one is a breeze to clean and maintain, with a dishwasher-safe tank and a compact design that makes it easy to store. Whether you're looking to alleviate dry air symptoms, or simply want to create a cozy atmosphere, the Mifasol Stainless Steel Humidifier is a great choice, and I highly recommend giving it a try. You won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.